So over the last few weeks since QuantCrawler Signals preset strategy released, I've been pretty much doing nothing but talking about futures with a little bit of Forex sprinkled in. So this video here is for all the people who trade Forex. It's about time we give Forex some love. And today I rolled out two new preset strategies on a pair that's one of the most popular in the world that's never actually made the cut until today. XAUUSD has a 3 minute and a 5 minute preset now. So I want to walk through a couple of these to show you what the last 365 days on a back test looks like on this strategy. So the first one I'm going to show you actually is probably the one I like the most out of all of the presets I got added today. There were three of them. One of them was USD JPY and the others were all XAU. So I'm going to start here because I'm actually going to put this on my E8 accounts today. I like it so much. So if you've never seen this before, you get it added to your chart. You come over into the settings, and then right here under strategy preset, when you click this drop down, all of the best optimized settings for all of these futures tickers and all of these Forex tickers are baked into the strategy itself. You don't have to do anything except two things. Pick your strategy, make sure you're on the right ticker, and I guess there's three. You got to make sure you're on the right time frame. So right here we have USD JPY. We have that right up here as well. And then this signifies you need to be on the 4 minute time frame. Right here's the 4 minute time frame. So we simply click it. And then these tabs right here and checkboxes actually don't do anything. They're just mainly visual indicators. It was the best way for me to put them in here. But you can see here on USD JPY per one lot, we need our commissions to be at $2. So we want to come over into the properties tab and we want to make sure that our commission right here is 2 and it's fixed. So it's flat. Now, once you have it added to your chart, you're on the right ticker, you're on the right time frame, and then this right here correctly displays the same. Everything is in sync. You come down here to the QCS preset and open it up. Now, this defaulted back time frame wise a little bit further, but you can see here the total P&L on this one is 17,576 for a drawdown of 1,809 and almost 57% win rate over 179 trades and a profit factor of 1.755. You can see back here in the beginning, if we roll all the way back to April 30th and let it run, you can see it's a little bit choppy, kind of in this range. I don't want this box to be in the way the whole time so you guys can see the equity curve, but it's a little bit choppy up and down. And then right here, we start getting a fairly continuous trend with a few small pullbacks here and there. And we are now even right now in a little bit of a pullback, but I'm expecting this is going to continue based on the last 365 plus days. So this right here is the new USD JPY 4 minute ticker that was added today, July 20th. Now, let me show you the one that everybody has been asking about the most, which is XAU. So I'm just going to keep the video up and I'll show you exactly how we do it. We come up here, we go XAU USD, we let this load, and our report is going to be crazy. So I'm just going to minimize it until we get all of our settings correct. We come over into the actual settings of the preset strategy. We're going to uncheck this and check XAU. Now, these presets are going to auto populate right here, like it says, at half a lot. So our commissions need to be 2.5. So before we even do anything, let's just go address that so we don't forget. We'll change this to 2.5 and come back to our inputs and select our preset dropdown. And let's start by looking at the 5 minute time frame. So we will click this here and then click OK. We then need to match this 5 minute right here to the 5 minute time frame. And then while this is loading, we can see when we come into the preset over the last 365 days, this is a P&L of 13,394, a drawdown of 2,605 for a 63.46% profitable trades rate and a profit factor of 1.734. Now, while we're here on this screen, I want to tell you guys this. These are all done using a 70-30 walk forward. So I get all of this data, it goes into my Python engine, and 70% of the data is shown to the engine while 30% is held aside. So whatever settings are found in the 70% have to hold up in the 30%. Now, I have another overlay that actually applies to futures and Forex, and here's what it is. The win rate has to be above 50% at all times for settings to be viable, and it also has to have a minimum floor of 100 trades. I don't think any test size smaller than 100 trades over 1 year is able to be validated. I just don't like it, and I don't agree with it. So this one barely made the cut. This right here is probably my most iffy and questionable ticker just because of volume. And the 3 minute is the same as well. So I'm giving you this disclaimer. I really would like to see this at about 200 trades before I was like, hey, 1,000,000%, these are locked in and solid. I still think it's locked in and solid, but this number, again, being transparent, does scare me a little bit. I think it's a triple digit valid test number, but how is it going to perform live? Only time will tell at this point. But this is half a lot. 13,394 over the last 365 days. It does make me comfortable with this. And if you guys look at my alerts, I have this one set right here and I am running it. So I confident enough in it that I have it running to my E8 accounts. I'm going to be watching it very, see how the next 10 trades go because it doesn't take a lot. So if the next 10 perform and I go 6 for 10 and this number holds up over the next 10 trades, I'm going to be feeling pretty confident. So now, since we're already on XAU, I'm going to minimize this. We're going to come up into the settings right here. We're going to go to our strategy preset and we're going to select the 3 minute right here. We don't need to do anything with our commissions because we're already set since we just looked at the 5 minute. So we're just going to click OK. And then we're going to come over to the 3 minute time frame right here. Going to let this load and then we'll look at the last 365 days of this one as well. This one here on the 3 minute over the last 365 days, a P&L of 12,276 for a max drawdown of 1,653. Again, keep in mind, this is a half a lot, so 0.5. You can scale this up or down to your preference. It's completely up to you. This one has more trade volume than the 5 minute with the shorter time frame to be expected, a 53.49% win rate, and a profit factor of 1.679. Now, this one had a pretty good climb right here, and this is when gold was on its way to all-time highs. So right here, you can see it has kind of a little bit. Again, sticking with the transparency. I am not going to run this one just yet until I watch again the next 10 trades. I want to see this go up, but I don't think this is bad to run as a short term. I'm going to actively watch this type trade over the next 10. Now, the next one we're going to look at is going to be USD CAD and on the 5 minute time frame. So I've already updated all of this. I'll just run through this quickly because I know I've already done it twice. To get here, you would come over into the settings, go to the strategy preset dropdown and select the USD CAD 5M for the 5 minute time frame right here. Tickers line up. We would uncheck this XAU box that we were just looking at and check this one here and have our commission set at $3.60. You can see here I have that updated, and then we'll just click OK and let this load and give us our results over the last 365 days. So this one here is also one of my favorites. This one over the last 365 days with one lot, $9,086.08 for a drawdown of $1,892, a 63.41% profitable trades rate over 123 trades, and a profit factor of 1.971. This is one right here that I definitely like. I keep my eye on it. You can see it is kind of a little bit here as of late. Right now, it just actually took a loss, but it has had some very good climbs when things are working in unison. So I'm expecting this is going to continue. And this one right here, these numbers make me very comfortable. Now, the next one I'm going to show you guys, and the last one is GBPUSD. So 5 minute time frame, we have it lined up here. Let's run through it very fast. You can see I already changed my commissions to 350. That was the screen I was just on. That lines up here. Strategy preset dropdown, select the 5 minute. This aligns with this. And these are the last 365 days on this setup. $7,045 on your P&L. This is one lot size as well, with a max drawdown of 1,746 for a profitable trades rate of 67.52% over 117 trades and a profit factor of 1.541. So all of these are set at one lot size for the most part, with the exception of XAUUSD. So if you guys wanted to trade a different size, whether it's larger or smaller, you can come in here to the strategy engine at the very bottom of the settings where you select your preset, and you can change your lot size to like 0 default as it says. You can change it to 4. You can change it to 10. You change it to whatever you want, and it will override for when you set your alert. So the other thing you can do in here as well is you can override if you think you want a higher TP, or you can find something better than what my Python engine has found over 1 million trials ran, literally 1 million trials per pair. and per ticker on futures. You can try to customize your own here to see if you can find something better. By all means, if you do, please share it with me, and we will help make the community even better. You can change your stop loss method if you don't want the preset that I'm using, and you can adjust a couple of the visuals up here. So this is a breakdown of a few of the Forex pairs that are in the QuantCrawler Signals preset strategy that is available to elite and lifetime members on QuantCrawler.